Weasel. Ready to bake some simple sugar cookies?
Oh yeah, this'll be fun.
1/3 cup granulated sugar, 1 stick plus 2 tablespoons salted butter, softened, 1 cup all-purpose flour.
Let's start with the bowl. Oh, it's so shiny.
First, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Sweet start. Now, the butter goes in.
Buttery goodness.
Keep mixing until it's fluffy.
Whoa! It's getting so creamy. Keep mixing until it's fluffy. It's getting so creamy. Looks smooth enough. Smells amazing. Now add 1 cup of flour. Time to get doughy. Mix until combined.
It's getting crumbly, just like it should.
Use paws to bring it together. Feels perfect.
Now, roll into balls.
This is the fun part.
Round and ready. Make them about 1 inch.
Round and ready.
Space them out nicely.
Yeah.
Looking good. Pat them flat. Squish time.
Add sprinkles if you want. Colorful fun.
All set for the oven.
Can't wait.
Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes.
Timer on.
These aren't classic, but they'll hit the spot. Smells so good already.
Timer's up, let's get them out. They look golden and perfect. Delicious in a pinch. Best cookies ever. Don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.